How to transfer USDT from Bybit to Tonkeeper. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Tonkeeper. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch the Bybit application on your device. You have to go to the home page of your Bybit application. Make sure to log in and then tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Among these options, select Withdraw. Now you have to set up your Google 2FA authentication. After that, you need to search the USDT and tap to proceed to be or to the withdrawal form. And you have to get the deposit address from Tonkeeper. For that, you have to open Tonkeeper wallet, select Receive or scroll down to find USDT and tap Receive. Copy the display deposit address or scan the QR code. And after that, you have to return to Bybit. Paste the copied address in the address field in Bybit. For the network, choose TUN network and enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Then tap Withdraw. Review and confirm to complete the transfer. Once the transaction is processed, your USDT will be available in your Tonkeeper wallet. So if this video helped, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.